We talk about full viscera and irregular organs. This time we focus on the small intestine. The small intestine, a rather long tube-like organ, is located in the abdominal cavity. Its upper end connects with the pylorus of the stomach, and its lower end connects to the cecum, which is the beginning portion of the large intestine. The main physiological functions of the small intestine include the following two aspects. So here we take a look at both the small and large intestines. And as we can see from the illustration, we know where the liver and the gallbladder are located. And the small intestine, the large intestine is supposed to be involved in transportation of wastes. Then we have the stomach, the small intestine. So if there is a dysfunction of the transporting function of the large intestine, there will be dampness, heat in the large intestine characterized by constipation. So for the small intestine, the function is to receive and process food and drink, and this will if there is an imbalance in the small intestine, this will cause contraction and dilatation. So with dilatation, there will be an impact on absorption of the essential nutrients and the transporting of waste by the large intestine. So basically, the function of the small intestine is to separate the clear from the turbid. So let's go to the functions. Reception and absorption. The plain question states, the small intestine is a receiving organ. It transforms matter. This has two meanings. First, the small intestine receives the partially digested chyme from the stomach. Second, the chyme remains in the small intestine for a while for further digestion and transformation into the nutritive substances necessary for nourishing the entire body. If the functions of the small intestine are abnormal, disruption of digestion and absorption may ensue. This may cause abdominal distension and diarrhea with loose feces. The second function is separating the clear from the turbid. The clear refers to the essential substances, while the turbid refers to the waste left by digestion. The separating function of the small intestine separates the chyme into three parts and sends each part on its proper path. The essential nutritious substances are conveyed to the spleen to be distributed to the entire body. The detritus is conveyed to the large intestine. The unusable fluid is conveyed to the urinary bladder, eventually to be excreted. If this separating function is disrupted, there may be mucoid diarrhea and turbid urine. Thank you for your attention.